Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix Roblox error code 268. Basically that says you have been kicked out due to unexpected client behavior. So the first solution is for you to wait for a bit, because Roblox wants users to play a fair game, and they basically developed the Bifron anti-cheat software. So with this improvement, some players may be incorrectly flagged by Bifron anti-cheat, or so they can be temporarily banned for cheating. So you just need to, if you're basically experiencing this kind of error, you just need to wait from 1 to 3 hours and then try the game. But if the problem persists, then another thing that you can do here is to change your DNS server address to Google, right? So the first thing what you need to do here, you need to basically find your in the system tray your network icon here, internet access, and then you just need to right click on it, go to network and internet settings, and then you need to go to advanced network settings here, the last option, and then you need to go to more network adapter options. And once you see this window, you need to on your network, you need to right click on it, go to properties, and then you just need to press on Internet Protocol version 4. And here you just need to select use the following DNS server addresses here, and on preferred DNS server you just need to write 8.8.8.8, and on alternate DNS server you just need to write 8.8.4.4, and then you just need to restart your computer, and you need to look if the problem persists or not. And if the problem persists, another thing that you can do here, again, you need to press on more adapter options here, right click on your network settings here, and then you just need to make sure that your Internet Protocol version 6 is disabled, right? And if the problem persists, then you just need to clear your basically DNS cache. And to do so, you need to on search write cmd or command prompt, and then you need to right click on it and run a command prompt as a administrator. Press yes, and on basically this command window you need to write these commands one by one. So the first one is ipconfig/renew, another one ipconfig/flash DNS, then nesh int ipv4 reset, then nesh int ipv6 reset, nesh win HTTP reset proxy, and ipconfig/register DNS. And then you need to restart your computer, and you need to look if the problem persists or not. And if the problem persists, the last thing that you can basically do is to restart your internet. So restart your router, just unplug it, wait for 10 seconds, and then plug it again. And then you just need to look if the problem persists or not. But probably if you apply all these changes, the problem will be fixed. Right, so that's pretty much it what I wanted to show you. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.